Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture today. In this, we are going to learn about an amino acid called as beta-alanine. This beta-alanine is formed from cytosine. Cytosine is a nitrogenous base, it is a nitrogenous base. Cytosine, uracil, this beta-alanine is formed from either cytosine or uracil or by hydrolysis of beta-alanyl dipeptides. This beta-alanine dipeptides on hydrolysis, this can give rise to this beta-alanine, right? So, where is this beta-alanine found? This beta-alanine is found in pantothenic acid, which is a vitamin, and coenzyme A, and it is also present in acyl carrier protein. Okay, now this beta-alanyl dipeptide, what are the examples of this beta-alanine dipeptide? The examples of this beta-alanine dipeptide include, we have a compound called as carnosine. Okay, this carnosine is histidine plus beta-alanine. This includes histidine plus beta-alanine gives rise to carnosine. We have one more beta-alanine dipeptide which is called as anserine. Anserine is N-methyl-carnosine is called as anserine. N-methyl-carnosine is called as anserine. So, this anserine and carnosine, which are beta-alanine dipeptides, are present in the skeletal muscles. Okay, they are present in skeletal muscles, and this carnosine especially is useful in activation of myosin ATPase, and it is also useful for activation of copper uptake, and this is useful for buffering anaerobically contracting muscle. So this is about beta-alanine. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.